Hi, I'm Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. I'm going to tell you about some people that are not clients of mine. These are the top 1,000 or 2,000 people in the United States. The real rich fat cats that we hear about. And their strategies for increasing their wealth. Now let's take the first point. The first point of wealth is to live on less than you make. So if you're making $100 million a year, then your strategies are going to be a whole lot different, because just on your personal living, it's going to be hard to spend more than $100 million a year. Now maybe the first year you can do it, but after that it's going to look like old hat. So somebody who has a lot of income stream can build a lot of wealth. So what they do is they hire tax attorneys, policy makers who meet with congressional committees and develop policies. They have lawyers that contact the IRS and get what's called a private letter ruling. We do some of that also, but not for somebody who's in the top 1,000 earners in the United States. But a private letter ruling to allow them to do some business function and change the form of their income from ordinary income to capital gains, which may cut their rate from 40% down to 20%. And if you're dealing with $100 million, you're dealing with some real important money. So it's almost like there's a separate class of taxpayers, the ultra rich, and the rest of us. So the ultra rich pay really big bucks to these financial planners, attorneys, strategists, all of these kinds of folks. They pay them really big dollars to take specific instances of their business life and get approval from the IRS that they can treat it a certain way. And with that, they can create even more wealth. Well, you and I don't have that strategy. But notice the first thing I said. Even for somebody out there who's starting a business and doesn't have much in the way of resources, the real important first step is to live on less than you make. If you don't do that, you can never reinvest in your business or in other investments. You have to live on less than you make. If you have a hard time doing that, we have some strategies to help you with that. And maybe you'll be one of those that grow to be one of the top 2,000 people in the United States. Odds are neither of us will, but we can certainly make a big dent, and we can build wealth for ourselves and our family if we do it the right way. We'll be glad to help. Give us a call. Thanks.